Play EP baro ki viewers hanging up an EP kum no pin la ban apply na kum ta ki support Bhartiya Aviation Services the directly ngan pin EP kum no pin apply na kum ta ki post ka dei jong ki housekeeping but kum juru na kum ta ki airport ground staff ki don actually airport ground staff but ka housekeeping la ne luda te shwa kata ngan PNP late na po ka Google search sa type bhartiaaviation.com ipini ni kan mi ka page the first pini yang te last date to apply 31st October ya nakabanta ki applicants na ni ki candidate ki bakwa ban apply nakabanta ki post ka last date kan de hadu live po tarik October te pi la ban apply no na do kini kisngi haswa ban akan kut ketika live po tarik je piklik hang ne bato Bhartiya Aviation Services dik hang ne tinggal lami pi check ne page din ba pilai hang ne scroll down little bit you'll see here notice option apply for airport ground staff or CSA apply for loader or housekeeping how to apply video if you have any problem regarding the application so you can watch out this video or tutorial video and if you have not yet received the notification so you can download the notification in Hindi and also you can download in English for the notification of these two process. Okay, let me go straight to the application tutorial. So ngan pani pi hang ne nakabanta kuno pin apply ya ki loader lani housekeeping click hang ne to apply for housekeeping or loader directly click nang ne to apply so kan lami pi second page hadin kata select profile here for housekeeping and enter your name so you can enter your name here you can enter your email address enter mobile number and also you have to find out the password so ban pendap daga sinem kha ka jongpi nang ta ubnai tari so you have to set gani ka di ka password so you pihak ban pendap da u tarik banai bat sinem kha mo te kan mau ha nam ta password te shwa ba pin register pihak ban page ha ya ka spelling bat juru email address pp pendon kaman agasi nama pinyo ya ki notification register then we fill out the register so you have to scroll up lots of option here you have to fill up the pihak ban kan mi hang ni ka application form online application form kan dei kan start nang ne apply na ka banta ki post join ka ground staff but housekeeping apo Bharatiya Aviation Services we can see the kumchong ala pani ep kumno pin register yalade hadin ba pila da register kan pin mi ep kan form the hakan form pin yu igumne pandab ya teng jong phi ka diet nang ta kerteng ipa jong phi kerteng ime jong phi but ka date of birth ken mau bhai kini ai ki option hang ne you have to fill correctly. The next you have to fill gender, choose whether you are male or female, category caste ST, marital status, and apply for examination fees, email address, and mobile phone. Tidin kata pi select ka educational qualification hang tu ka kedan ayu pila pendap se PE hang ta ka division lada pi pass ka division ayu hang ne ru pi check pi select hi hang ta intermediate hang ne pya ban pendap ya ka board name bat ka school ke jong pi hang ne ka division nang ta hang ne ka high school hang ne ru pya ban pendap ka kerteng school bat kum ju ru ka board ke jong pi nang ta ka division hang ne ru pya ban choose ka division ke din kata next pade te din ba pila de ban pendap dut ya kitu gijing don kam ku bangala de ban batai pi scroll down chapo ni hangne please upload image. Okay, here you have to upload your image, that is in the GPG, GPEG, and the PNG file format. So you have to edit your image. So here I uploaded my image and also my signature. Remember, your signature also you have to upload here. Nakabanta kani ka page pina ban upload ya ka dur bat kumjuru ya ka sign ke jungpi. Nangta din ba pila de bang tai pi pendap ya ka present address. Pendap ka present address ke jungpi. Nangta house number ya dal ada pi don house number pila ban pendap hang tu house number. Okay. Nangta village and city. Pila ban pendap hang tu. Tidin ba pila de ban pendap ya kitu. Pendap hang ni syuk nang ta ka post office ka state apo Meghalaya district pidana district ayu, and with the pin code you have to fill up your pin code number and tick here if your present address are same with the permanent address. Okay, di lada ka present address jung pi kam kaya pair ti pila ban pendam tu di jingdon kambaro nangta examinations center state apo Meghalaya ka examination center kadon ngal ong epi hakuto ka video kadon apo Shillong nangta ka exam center city pi choose yang to ka exam center city apo Shillong, Sirapanji or Tura. So for the Garo candidates you have to choose your nearest select exam city, that is Tura. And for our Kasi Jaintia, either you want to choose Shillong or Sirapanji and choose one in among these three. And after that, you have to declaration your application form. Te sa klik hang ni. Te din ba pila dap ban pendap du di jing don kambaro nga ko ban kerpat ipis ngba ban check bhai ya ki details baro na du ka kerteng ga snong kumta terbar kho check bhai la yo le se pidon jing bakala ai ni la da pila biang lu na dong sedong sa klik hang ni ka box hang tu klik hang tu nang ta sa submit mau tangata he pila da phi don ai ban kli shupang kan ni ka online application form agar pat pi pin sobha ban bu ya ki comments ki jong pi ha po comment box section jong kan ni ka video sai sen pa la da phi dang dei ki ba thamai ha ka video ba ka channel ka jonga sobha ban ye share like but subscribe na ka banta ki wei pa de ki khubol like kam yes sai sen pa na ka banta ki candidates ki ba de na po ka state Meghalaya shi me ka ne ka bu na ma kene kam de ka fake news handai ka de ka reality kadai ka news ka basisa te sobha ban simi ka ne ka bu namal pinyo ban trei hai airport hapo kari India hi baro ka we din bapila submit ya ketuka application forms karena mepi syakane ka payment option dan payment method ya kane ka payment method kan pen ye pi kumne kalau don lupa hangne kumno pinsiu ya kini ki ka by examination fee lengba UPI Google Pay UPI PhonePe lane lengba Google Pay PhonePe Paytm create UPI pat kumjuru pila ban siu lengba ki cards kata lagi rupe lane visa net banking bat kumjuru ka wallet te hadin ba phi la yo ya gani ka page phi click na a phi kwa ban siu yo let's say phi panon kam Paytm click ha Paytm kan redirect ya phi shaka shau apps Paytm but phi sa siu ya kani ka examination fee lane lada phi use the phunpay ru shu click shwa hangte batho phunpay nang ta kan redirect ya phi shau apps jong phunpay ban visa siu ya kanik application fee hadin ba phi la siu phi screenshot but sa continue tang katahi kala biang ya kabamenta kanong phi le hakanik kurkom phin sa la ban penbiang ya kanik application forms ke jong phi so tang katahi ya kabamenta bless you